G'day mate, what's going on? shaneco HD channel, back at it again with another Simpsons video. Let's go, more Funko Pops. Here we go. We have heaps and heaps of Simpsons Pops. Let me try and line them all up here. We have the Grim Reaper. We have Spaceman Bart. We have Zombie Bart. Also, Which Marge is that Marge? Vampire Krusty and Jack in the Box Homer. Let's go. This is the 6 out of the 10 new Treehouse of Horror ones. I am waiting for a couple of them to come through still, but this is what I got for now, and I'm going to unbox them one by one each video. Crack one open, try and keep them in order, and yous are gonna enjoy it, trust me, it's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna be opening these in individual videos, one at a time. I'm just gonna show them off, display them, spin them around, zoom in, and yous are gonna get to see me open them up. So if that's something yous want to see, yous want to hang around, let's get into it right now. Next one, Spaceman Bart. I'm going to be unboxing Spaceman Bart now. If you guys haven't seen the last video already, it's the Grim Reaper Homer. Make sure you just go over and check that one out. I'll try and leave a card up in the corner. But for now, we are going to be taking a look at Spaceman Bart. So let's check out the box. Well, let's get straight into him. Here we go. Oh, check this one out. This helmet is crazy. Little baby Maggie down there in his pouch. Oh, this is awesome, this one.
Massive haul this year. To candy.
go, guys. That's Spaceman Bart. That's super cool. This might be one of my favourite ones out of the set, I think. I didn't think I was going to enjoy this one so much, but it looks really awesome with the helmet. Looks super cool how they've done that. And then little baby Maggie down there with the pumpkin. That's awesome. Alright. Thanks for checking it out. Make sure to check out the next one. Next one's going to be Zombie Bart. Like I said at the start, if you haven't checked out the video before this one, check that one out. It was the Grim Reaper Homer. And then the next video will be Zombie Bart. So make sure you stick around and see that one, guys. Okay, peace out. Let's go.